What's up guys, here's Claudio from Elementor WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enable Elementor editor into your products page of WooCommerce. So imagine the following scenario: you are trying to sell things on your site and you installed WooCommerce plugin, okay? So on WooCommerce you have created your products, but there is some limitations on the editor, okay? If you go to some product, you're gonna be able to see this, the short description, that is the description that appears next to the product. That is this one, and the long description, that is this one right here, where you can display the product heading, you can share some features of the product, but there is no much editing options right here. How to fix it is what I'm gonna learn in this video. Go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin, enter your login credentials, and you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. For this tutorial, we're gonna need two plugins, okay? So go to the left sidebar of menus, hit the plugin button, and go to the submenu, add plugin. And you're gonna need two plugins, okay? Go to popular, and we're gonna need to install and activate Elementor and install and activate WooCommerce, okay? Both plugins, especially Elementor, are gonna try to sell you a pro version, gonna try to make you create an account on their site. No need for it, you can just close the tabs and activate the plugin, okay? After, go to your Elementor plugin and hover a mouse over it into the left sidebar of menus, editor, and go to settings. Once on settings, we have general tab right here, scroll down, and on post types, you're gonna need to enable Elementor to work on products, okay? Scroll down and hit the save change pink button. Now go to your WooCommerce products once again. Find a product that you would like to edit, in my case it's gonna be this one right here. And now you're gonna be able to see the option to edit with Elementor. Now you're gonna be able to fully edit this product description using Elementor. Click into this button. Wait while the load's happening, so Elementor can load their editor. While you wait, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Now, you're gonna be able to fully customize anything that you want using Elementor, okay? You're gonna be able to apply buttons. You're gonna be able to add shortcodes, sidebars, alert message, testimonials. Anything that you want can be added right here now. Just don't forget to hit the publish or the update button into the upper right corner of your screen. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!